So yeah, welcome to this new video. Haha.
Hello?
Put your head on my shoulder.
Yeah, so here you have your favorite failing YouTuber, which is me. In today's video, I wanted to make something that I'm pretty excited about because I really love reorganizing things. I think it's one of the things that I actually enjoy the most. Like reorganizing things in a wardrobe or in a fridge or whatever, just when you have to put together things and put them in a specific order so that they can be good looking but also kind of useful so that you can take them easily. I wanted to reorganize my room, let's say, maybe putting together my wardrobe again because it's kind of a mess. Also reorganizing my little wall because I've attached on the wall some little random pieces of magazines, newspapers, anything that could inspire me. Yeah, so this is what we're doing in this video, and also my hair are looking nice, like for the first time ever. What's happening? So first of all, let's go here. So basically we have this random thing here, but you don't even have to notice. So then here we have some shoes. They don't fit me anymore and they're kind of old and I wouldn't wear them, so yeah. And then also here there is my wall. So basically in this wall there are some things that I really like. For example, all of these Gucci things, they really inspire me, but I want to put one extra more. I want to also reorganize this thing because it's kind of falling off. Here, I don't really know what's the point of that. And here we have some random things. They're not really in order, so yeah. So basically what I'm trying to do in these clips is to try some inspirational pictures that I can glue on my wall, because I removed many of the ones that were before, and also I wanted to fill some white spaces, so I'm just searching through some magazines or some old pictures that I have and just trying to find some inspiration. And then here I am just removing all of the things that were there before, because in this way I can reorganize them by, you know, color and shape and whatever. Okay, so basically this is what we're working with. I didn't remove the Gucci posters because I just really like them and how they're here, but I think I will have to change them too. And here, as you can see, there is nothing. And then I will also remove this one and that random thing. And basically we are working with all of that. Yeah, just a lot of stuff that I have to organize and to manage. Here I'm organizing all of them by color and just shape, I guess. And here I was trying to put together all of the pictures that were really inspiring for me so that I could glue them on my wall just like that. And basically I decided to put in the middle where there was like the wall and the white space between these pictures, some pictures that I just cut off some magazines, where basically there was just some models with some outfits or just, I don't know, maybe even just a picture that in my opinion is really inspiring. Okay, so then this part, which is next to my bed, was pretty wide and like there was nothing in there. So basically here I have some little postcards from places that I've visited, and all of these are from the British Museum, and then all of these are from Sicily, and then these are something that my grandma brought me, and here there are all my concert or whatever tickets, and then here another ticket, and here I just glued some Brandy Melville stickers. I decided to put in this space and in this space some other pictures that inspire me more, because these ones, I mean, they're great, but like I don't love them, and instead I have some other pictures that I think are absolutely amazing, so I want to glue them here. I think it represents more what I think, my personality and all of that. So yeah, I still have to put in my wall all of these stickers and also some other postcards. Today it's like the second day that I'm redoing my room, and so this is what I've done. Here I've changed some things, and I don't know if I should tell you everything of those things, what they mean to me, also because they're kind of private, I think. But anyways, all of these are associated to some really nice memories, or maybe just in general I like the pictures. And here I've changed some of my Gucci posters, which I took from magazines, because you know I've never been to a Gucci store, so. And then here I put some more other things, but I'm not gonna show you all of them because they're kind of private. Another thing that I modified is that this, I don't even know what they are. I just bought them at the concerts, and so yeah, I decided to put them here because, you know, Ed Sheeran, 21 Pilots and Billie Eilish. This is like the concert zone. Hi. I'm so excited because I just made the pictures for my annuary. Yeah, because of quarantine we cannot do, you know, the photographer thing where everybody gets a photo. The school told us to do that by our own. I decided to take many pictures because one of them has to go on the annuary, and I cannot even say that the fault is of the photographer as I do usually, because it's not the fault of the photographer this time, it's my fault. But anyways, now I will do the third whatever part of this video, where basically I try to put together my wardrobe, and it's a total mess, as you can see. Well, actually, I'm trying to put something in a certain order, so basically all of these things are things that I have to modify, DIY, tie-dye, or even sell. So here I put this pile of clothing that I have to modify, but then here all of these have to be fixed and just rearrange it and put in the right order, because I just don't have any order in this wardrobe anymore.
They say falling in love.
Basically here there are things that I want to DIY or just modify in some other way. Then here I put all of the things that I usually use and that anyways I like, and here are things that I want to sell or that I don't use anymore. You know when you keep some clothes for like the memory that you have with them? So basically this big hoodie was one of my favorite hoodies, and this one was given by my grandmother, which now is not here with us anymore, so I will ever use that one, but I just think that the memory is great. So yeah, and then we have to work with this pile of clothing, which I have no idea of what it is. And also I have this box where I think I put some of my swimsuits. So I clean it all, and this is how it is evolving. Basically here there is the stuff to sell, here are the things that I want to keep, and here are the things that I want to keep but modify. Here, the memories, and this box of swimsuits. I don't really know what to do. I think I will have to decide with my sister, but for sure they will not be there anymore because I will have to fill that with all of that. So to decide what I want to keep here and what I want to move to some other place, I have to decide what do I want to do with all of that. So I will have to reorder all of these ones. In that one I want to put all the jeans that are like wintry or just for autumn, and so I will redo this part of my closet where I have all of my jeans and pants in general. So here I have my more wintry jeans, and then here all of my shirts. They're not in front because I do not really wear shirts in these times. Like, I'm just staying at home, so I don't need them right now, so I'm just putting them there. But I know that some of them have to be modified in some ways, and so I will probably do a kind of second closet clean out for the summer. And then here are all of the things that are summery, but I could still use them in these days. So this is impressive. I got so much free space. I didn't expect that, to be honest. So because I also have some jumpers that I would like to move, I think I'm gonna remove all of them, which I don't really use in these days, and I'm gonna put them on those clothes, and then here I will have so much space for, just sweatshirts and something that I would use more. This is what we have here. I think I will have to to section all of them and to see which ones do I want to keep, which ones do I want to modify, and put them on this pile of clothes. And then I have so much space. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put there my bells. Also, I would like to put something a bit more precise in there. I have a weird collection of hats, but actually I have a place for all of my hats, and I hope that I will get those hats in there. Okay, so we open the door and this is what we have. I love my room because it's like amazing with all of that sunlight. I love the sunlight. So here there is all my wall with all of the things that I put in there. And then here we have this little mask because, you know, Miss Rona. Here there is my desk which I cleaned because I did a thrift flip, and so I did that with this sewing machine. So if you want to stay updated and, you know, just see all of these type of videos that I'm making in this period and that are really popular, especially during quarantine, because in fact that's what made me start doing them. And here I didn't really touch anything because with the end of school I basically didn't use any of these books things in general. Here the only thing that I don't really like is this box, because in the place where I would put this box, which is this wardrobe, I have all of these bags full of clothes that I want to DIY and all of that. So stay updated because I will be doing a lot of thrift flips. In this video you will see me changing my voice from a different type of voice in some other clips. That's because in some of these clips I really couldn't talk, so I'm like replacing my grammar and pronunciation errors with this audio that I'm recording right now. So basically here we have this concert zone, as I called it before, and then here the sports zone, which is where I basically put all of the things that I can just grab and take to a, I don't know, a gym or something. And as you can see here we have my wardrobe, which I finally cleaned. As you can see, it is all, you know, clean and all of that. I will insert here the pic of the wardrobe before so that you can see how it was before and all of the things that I've changed. And then here the other part of the wardrobe, here we have the jeans and then the shorts and things for summer, my belts and all of my jumpers and sweaters that I can use mainly during the summer. Here we have a big box that I use for the bags. Here there is the part all over my bed, and here there are all of the books that I read. Here are like some perfume things. In conclusion, I really love my room. I think in this way it looks very organized and a bit more mine. I think that before I just had a lot of random stuff that I just didn't use a lot, and so it was not really fitting to my own personality. I don't know if it's really a thing, but now I love it way more.